Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you if you want to create the YouTube channel in year 2025, these 5 things you need to follow and your channel can be skyrocketing. So very first thing you need to know perfectionism. So everyone wants to create their YouTube channel and they want their channel goes to success and they just not putting more effort over there. So very first important thing, like you need to know, you need to very perfect on your videos. Everyone wants to get more views on their first video and there is not proper content, not proper detail, all of the things are there. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can create the YouTube channel just following these 5 things, and it is going to help your YouTube channel definitely. The very first thing, the perfectionism. So what I was telling you, you need to be very perfect on your YouTube channel and YouTube videos what you are creating on. So YouTube judge based on your first video what you upload on your channel. If it is very good video, it has more engagement, it is going to send it to most of the audience in the YouTube platform. So that is the very important thing. You can be creating the YouTube channel and uploading the video, it may not help you. So what you have to do for that, first you need to create the practice channel. You can create the practice channel, just YouTube, like practice YouTube channel. Here you can just give any name, logo, banner. It does not really matter because you are just creating for your practicing. And in this channel, you have to practice for almost 2 months. And I'm going to tell you in detail for each week what you are going to do. For and in this channel also, the important thing you can do, you can create and upload the video for all the niche you are working on. That you may have your own niche where you want to create the videos, but you can also try the different niche where you want to see how the user engagement or audience engagement is there in that channel. So that is very important, and I'm going to tell you how you are going to do that. And as time changes in these 2 months, you can change your niche also. And other thing, like first thing, you can change your niche and gather the requirement, what are the content required for videos, create the videos and upload the channel. Before we upload that, there are some steps or process required, which I'm going to tell you how you are going to do that. Very first important thing in this, like every week you have to do something. Like every week there will have some assignments. So very first week, what we are going to do, we are going to work on the audio quality, because audio quality is very important. If you are working on the YouTube channel, it is very important the audio is very good enough for your audience. Sometimes you may have the background noise, and how you are going to work on that. In the very first week, we are going to work on that. Like in the your practice channel, first you record the audio in place where there is no noise. Second, you learn the basic about the how you can remove the noise, like you can cancel the noise cancellation your audio, all those things you have to work on that. And third thing, in the first week also, what you have to do, you can invest some amount in your good quality mic. So if you have the good quality mic, there is a chance you will have the better audio. So in the first week, you have to work in this 3 things. Record the audio where you have the less noise, and second, you can work on the noise cancellation. Third, you can have the very good mic where you can record the audio very well. Second thing, we are going to work on the script. So what you are going to work in the second week, you can write the basic YouTube script. And in this script, you have to make sure you have the hooks, you have the main point, and at the end you should have the call to action also. So these two things you have to work on the second week. Like start writing the script. When you're writing the script, different niche you can have. All the niche you have to make sure you have the proper call to action, hooks, and the basic point which you are is going to cover your video. So you have to work on this script writing on the second week. The third week, we are going to work on the delivery. If you are creating the faceless video, there is a chance you don't need to you don't need to record your face. Then it is very important, you have to work on the what you speak. You have to work on the how you're speaking very well. You have to work on your speaking skill. And for example, if you are creating the face video, you have to make sure what you speak, how you speak, and what your communication should be. So you have to speak very naturally. You can work on those things in the third week. So this third week, you have to make sure you are working. If it is a faceless camera, you have to work on your audio quality. And if it's the face video, you have to visuals. Third, you can add the tags, and you can have the like basic transition all over there. So you have to learn all this video you created, how you are going to work on the editing side. You can use the editing tools are there, like if you're working from phone, you can use the CapCut, and if you're working from the PC or like multiple software are there, you can work on that. But you have to work with the basics, like how to cut the videos, syncing audio and visuals, tags, and adding transition over there. As the 5th week, we are going to still work on the video editing skill, but here what we have to do, you have to work with the advanced technique. Like in the same video editing skill, we are going to work on the more advanced technique. Like in the 5th week, you can learn keyframing, masking. Third, you can learn the green screen, and you can also learn about the all other transition also, like what transition you can use there. So you are going to work on the advanced technique in the video editing side in the 5th week. Now you created the video, you edited the video. In the 6th week, what we are going to work on the thumbnail creation. So thumbnail is very important. You can see my like video how we are going to create the thumbnail YouTube channel with the link I provided in the screen. So, and the description also. What you have to do, like first you have to think about what is your concept, what is the video you're creating about. So as per YouTube algorithm also, your thumbnail should be matching with your YouTube video, what your video creating about. If it is not matching, like there is a chance you can have the less engagement. So very important, you need to work on thumbnail creation. Whatever thumbnail you are creating, it should be matching with your video content. And the second thing in this, you have to design the thumbnail, like how you can design. And this thumbnail should be very eye-catching. It should have proper tags, and it will be like representing your video content. And to create the thumbnail, you can use the like tools are there, Canva, Pixel. This tool you can use it. Now you created a script, you edited the video, you created the thumbnail. Now 7th week, what we are going to do, whatever the video you created, edited in the same practice channel, you are going to upload them. So when you upload, it is very important what is the title you are going to provide that, what is the description you are going to provide that, and what are the tags, thumbnail, and all other YouTube setting when you upload the video. And sometimes you can schedule your video also. So that thing you have to learn on the 7th week. Now 8th week, what we are going to do, let's say you created all the videos, uploaded them. Now in the 8th week, what we are going to do, we have to work on the YouTube Studio. Like in YouTube Studio, you can have your analytics, like how much is your user engagement is there in your videos, and what kind of users you have, what is their average watch hours, and average duration, what countries they are watching from. So you have to learn, like, and you have to figure out what is the video is getting more engagement from the users. So this is why YouTube Studio is going to help you very much. Like it will help you like which video is getting more engagement and which topic you created the video. So we have to practice on the 8th week, like how to analyze our YouTube Studio and how you can get more knowledge out of YouTube Studio. After you do this 2 months and you are like uploading like these videos every week, or creating 2-3 videos every week, it is going to give you these 3 benefits. The first benefit, you will have you will have all basic knowledge, like what skills you require to create the video, what is the scripts you need to know, in what content you need to have, then a script, how to edit the video, how to upload the video, and when to upload the video, what are the tags, hashtags, description, all these things. You will have the basic knowledge at least by the time you upload your video in your main channel. So before you upload in your main channel, you will have all this basic knowledge. Now you can go ahead and upload all those videos in your main channel. So from very first video, you will have the more engagement from the audience, because by this time you may know like all these things, like how to create the script, edit the video, how to create the video, edit them, upload in the YouTube. So you will have more knowledge than other people. Second, you can have the market research also. You can conduct the market research. Like when I say market research, it means like what is working for your channel. Like in the practice channel, you might have seen when you created the video for different niche. Out of those niche, only one niche is getting more views. So you have to work on that. You have to think on that, like this niche is working more, so I should be creating the video in this main channel for this niche. You have to try in that way. You cannot create the video all the time what you want. You have to think like, what is the user demand, what is the user expecting from you. You have to create the video what they want, then you may have the more engagement in that. So in this also you will have to learn, like, how you can use the keywords, like, when you're creating the video, like what is the missing, you can say like what is the gap is there in the, so you can see like a lot of videos are there, still sometimes people find them, they don't find in the YouTube channel. So you have to learn how to find the like idea generation, video idea generation, which we call this thing, video generation. So you can go to the YouTube search and you can type like, what is today's weather. It will give you a lot of video. If you search this video in the YouTube, and it is not going to help your video because a lot of videos are already there. You have to try in a different way. Like, if you have to add something like why today's weather is not cold or hot, so you have to try different way, then there is a chance you may have the more engagement from the audience. Third thing, what you have to do, the benefit you are going to get, start using AI, because AI is going to help you a lot. It will provide you the script, it will provide you the like all the title, description, hashtag, all those things. Nowadays, not only the the beginner are using the AI, all the like big YouTube creators are also using the AI. So I will tell you why they are using the AI. Like for example, if I'm creating the video, it is going to help me a lot. Like when, for example, my video, I'm looking for some images, like let's say I'm looking for some cartoon image. If I go and download a pixel, already other people might be using the same image. It is like very repetitive image for your video. So if you use the like, there are some AI tools, Leonardo AI and some other AI tool. If you go there and create your own image, you can create your own different image and upload them in the video. So it will have a like uniqueness also in your content. Also, you are not using a repetitive image, and it is going to help your video, and it is going to save your time also. So this is how these three benefit you will get from your like after 2 month practice in the practice channel, and your first video on your main channel will be like definitely going to have the more views. So you can use the AI tools like to create your videos. Also, it is going to help you, like it will save your time also. So here, if you see, I'm using the InVideo AI. I will tell you about little bit about this AI tool, how it is going to help you. When you go to the InVideo AI here, first you have to make sure you are using this with generative media, and it will give you the all the AI images and all those things. So here, what it does, you have to just provide the script or some little description about that, and it will create a video automatically. So what you have to do, you just go to the ChatGPT, and here, let's say if I type like provide me Disneyland. So you can type like they provide me video about Disneyland, and it's a script. So you can type this and it will give you some video idea about Disneyland, and it's a script. So we are going to get help from the ChatGPT. So let's say, so you can copy this and just come here and you provide it here. So 10 insider tips to make the most of your Disneyland visit, and here you can click on the generate video. Before that, let me tell you, you can provide the script also here, and if you want to generate some other thing, you can click on the workflows, and all other things are there. And if you want to create the short video, you can create the short videos also. So let me create and generate a video. So after some time, we will see it will analyze the title, it will create the script, and it will provide you the video also. So in this here, it will ask you a couple of things. You want to use the stock media or you want to create the generative media. You can click the generative media, and it is asking for visual style like realistic, animation. You can select like animation, and how duration, it is asking how much you want, like 1 minute, and platform where you want to, like YouTube. This is a video, YouTube short, Instagram reels. You can do this and click on continue. So here I don't have the plan, but you see, you can have the plan and you start creating all this video, and it is going to help you a lot. So if you see, I'm playing this video. So here it says you need this plan. So you can you have options to get this monthly, or you can buy the like credit also. You can do with this, proceed with the stock media and click on here. So what it will do, it will just use the like their stock media images, like which is being used in other videos also, and it will have some watermark over there. So it is very important, if you have some that much budget, you can create it, and it is going to help you a lot. Just provide the video title, it is going to create the video for you. If you see, my video is created here and I can play it.
Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your man, Pankaj. Even I need a break sometimes. And when I do, there's only one place I go to recharge: Disneyland, the self-proclaimed happiest place on earth. Now, I know what you're thinking. Disneyland, really? It's for kids. But let me tell you something. Disneyland is for everyone. It's a place where you can escape from the everyday, let loose, and just be a kid again. So if you're planning a trip...
So once your video is created, if you see it got created for 4 minutes 15 seconds, you can download it here. And if you want to change some other thing, you can provide the comment, like you add something, some other changes you want, you can provide the comment here, and it will provide you the updated video. So this is how you can create the video. The last important thing which I wanted to tell you. So the last important thing, the fifth one, is you have to prioritize the idea, like which idea video you are going to create. First thing, you might have your own interest, but the audience may not have the same interest. So you have to think about the audience interest, what they are thinking about, and which video they want to create. To find out this, what you can do, you can go to some YouTube comments and like some famous YouTube channel. First, you can subscribe like 10 different YouTube channel where the niche you like their niche you like, or your niche is matching with them. You can subscribe them and go and check in their video what are the comment, what is missing. You can try to create video on those things. The other thing, you have to check like what is working for their video and what is not working for your video. You can check their video in first 30 to 40 seconds. You will realize like they have a different hook, they have a different video editing skill, and the visuals are totally different. So this is going to help you, and you can compare your video with their video and what is missing, and it is going to help you a lot. The next thing what you can do, you have to go to their or their videos and find, then look for the comment and start creating the video on that particular comment related to that topic. And the other thing which we talk about, like finding the topic in the YouTube channel, like you can search like with the ABC method, which you call, like here I can show you, like let's say if I go here, this video, YouTube video, if I go, and here you can see like how to make good trips. Yeah, transition. If you see how to make good transition on CapCut, you see a lot of videos are there. So this video is not going to give you more view. You have to try the different way, like good transition. You see that there are like you can provide the AI tool name, all those things with mobile edit. See, this topic uses only 3 topics are there. So what you have to do, if you create the video like this, there is a chance it can get the more engagement from the audience. So you have to find out this way, because if you just simply find out this way, there are a lot of video and it is not going to rank your video. So you have to think that way, that you can provide this kind of the description, like in your YouTube description, like your video is going to help in this topic also, but you have to think the different way, what is the gap there, and which video your audience is going to like. So this is all from today's video. I hope by the end of this video you got to know a lot of things. You can create your own video channel and start uploading it, and it is going to definitely help your YouTube channel. Please put me in comment what you think about this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.